Hello everybody and welcome to Explorer Hub. Today we're being asked to simplify the expression a to the 3 times a to the 4 divided by a to the 2 squared. And the first step will be to simplify the numerator. A to the 3 times a to the 4 is equal to a to the 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 divided by a squared, all squared, which is equal to a to the 7 divided by a squared, all squared. And now a to the 7 divided by a squared is equal to a to the exponent 7 minus 2 squared, which is equal to a to the 5 all squared. Now a to the 5 times a to the 5 again, or a to the 5 squared, is equal to a to the 5 times 2, which is equal to a to the exponent 10. And since this can't be simplified even further because we don't know the value of a to the 10 is our answer. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.